awesomely blossoming people out there. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nirupama and I hope you all are doing great. Well, in today's video, I'm going to talk about 10 things which can ruin your first impression. Yes, so I have made a video about how to create a great first impression that I will leave the link over here. You can click, you can watch it. And in this video, I'm going to tell you guys things which you do which can completely ruin your first impression. So are you excited? Do you want to know? Keep on watching. First thing would be playing with the hair. So I know that one of you have commented on my video, "Hey, how much you play with your hair?" So I don't do like this. I just move my hair away from my face because it's really hot. And I've switched off the fan and AC भी नहीं चला रखा है because वो कट कट आवाज करता है and I don't want that. तो मैंने सारे जो source of ठंडी हवा मैंने बंद कर रखी है. तो इसकी वजह से मुझे गर्मी लगती है. That's why I just move the hair away from my face. But I don't play with my hair like, if somebody's talking to you, yeah, right, and you are playing with the hair continuously. So that may come across as the flirtatious, that you're trying to flirt with the other person, or flirtatious nature which people might not appreciate. So you don't want to give wrong signals, and it's not that you are trying to flirt with the other person, but it may come across like that because you constantly play with your hair like that. Yeah, you're right. So please stop doing that. Now next up is chewing gum. So again, chewing gum is like you're talking to someone like, you're right. So constantly you're chewing gum. It is so irritating. Okay, firstly, especially even when I used to fly, it was a strict no that you cannot chewing gum in front of the passengers. When you're at the airport, you are in the uniform, you can't do that. It's very unprofessional, all right, and it is very immature sort of a behavior when you are talking to someone and you're like constantly like a cow or buffalo. You're just constantly doing that. I know a lot of people, they think that it's really cool to chewing gum and all of that. That's okay, but when you are in a formal setup, especially, please, and especially when you're going to meet someone. So because you may come across as someone who's not interested, disinterested, and immature. So you don't want to leave such impression. So please make sure that you are not chewing gum when you're meeting someone for the very first time. Respect the personal space. Very, very, very important. Now, when I say this, so a lot of time you will see people, you're doing something on your phone and people are peeping in your phone like, who are you messaging? What are you writing? So it's like, it really, people don't say it, but then you do like this. Why you want? That's my personal space. People, that's my personal space. A lot of time when I'm doing something on my laptop and somebody's peeping. अच्छा, क्या मेल लिख रहे हो? किसको? क्या कर रहे हो? पूछ तो लो भाई कि मैं आए, यही पूछ लो. अगर कुछ पर्सनल नहीं होगा, मैं कहा, I'm just writing, see, this is what I'm doing. So you can, if you're really curious, you can ask, but I would say that don't even ask, okay? Just respect the personal space. That is also said that because that phone or my laptop, these are my personal things, okay? And it contains all the personal information about me. So that is the reason why I have a lock or a password you have to put in if you want to open it. So that is the reason why. So please don't invade in my privacy by peeping or doing all these things. Another thing which I don't appreciate, like for example, अगर मैंने phone दिया आपको कि see this picture is so cute, yeah, it's looking nice, and then you start doing this, scrolling through my phone. Did I ask you to do that? मैंने आपको एक फोटो देखने के लिए बोला है ना. Why you are, if you want to see, you can simply ask me, if you don't mind, can I see the other pictures? And then person, if there are, maybe there is a personal picture, maybe there is a picture which is too personal for the person to share with you or anyone. Please respect the privacy, the personal space. Again, I'm saying, don't do that. Don't do this. ये बहुत गलत है, मत करिए. Next up is avoiding the eye contact. So we always tell you maintain the eye contact, which is like look at the person when the person is talking to you or you're talking to the person. But when you avoid, like, you try to, you don't look at the person, but everywhere else, like ceiling or floor and, maybe your watch, but you don't look at the person. Then also, again, you're too shy, you're underconfident, you're disinterested, you have some other important work, important meeting to attend. So you may come across like that and you don't want to leave that impression. So make sure you take care of these things as well. Don't look idhar udhar, look at the person when you're talking to the person. Also acknowledgement is very important. all right, like nodding your head, expressions. So then please make sure that you take care of these things as well. Avoid discussing taboo topics. Now, what are taboo topics? Like politics. You support BJP, I support Congress, and I'm something else only. So please avoid talking about politics or about religion. Oh, please. दंगे कम नहीं होते हमारे हमारे देश में, तो please avoid talking about religion, politics and about health, because बहुत लोगों के लिए health भी एक touchy topic हो सकता है. About food, okay, because don't tell you how much you are eating, why you eating so much, itna kyun kha rahe ho. Don't, because maybe you don't know about the struggle, maybe that person is trying to lose weight but kuch ho nahi raha hai, so maybe because he's stressed or whatever it is, so don't talk about these things, discuss about diet and so imagine I'm having my gulab jamun and like, you know what, I am going on diet because it's very unhealthy eating is not good, it leads to an unhealthy lifestyle, so I don't want to adapt that, I don't want to be this person. Bichara, let the person enjoy the gulab jamun, तुम्हें जो करना है तुम करो, ठीक है. So these are some of the taboo topics which you should simply avoid talking or discussing, until unless the person is a really good friend and you can say anything and everything with that person. But apart from that, just stop discussing, because this can lead to, you will not even imagine what. So please make sure you avoid talking about or discussing about these topics. Also money, how much salary you get, how much do you earn, ये तो बहुत ही, मतलब you can't ask this question. Even I tell you all, okay, don't ask these questions. It is not a nice question, simple. So you will never ask a person how much you earn, how much salary you get, or how much money you have. These are the topics which you will not discuss. Avoid distracting noises like, do I have a pen? Oh, I have a pen. Like, avoid doing that, because again you are doing it unknowingly, okay? Because maybe you are thinking about something, overthinking, या फिर you are nervous and all of that, so you think tuck 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 tuck, just sometimes people, they are like, they make noise with the with their shoes, okay? Sometimes they are waiting for the food, they are tuck 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 tuck, मतलब वो तबला बजाना शुरू कर देते हैं टेबल के ऊपर, which is not required. So please ये चीजें मत करिए, ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा, it just does not look, it is so distracting. How do you expect me to pay attention to what you're saying when you are making these sound effects? So please, no sound effects. Checking your phone constantly. So the first thumb rule is that when you go to meet a person and when you sit on the, see my hair, I told you it's गर्मी, बहुत गर्मी. So when you sit on the chair, okay, जब आप एक टेबल पे बैठते हो साथ में, first thing you should do is put your phone in your हैंडबैग, ठीक है. फोन अगर आएगा तो रिंग तो करेगा, साइलेंट पे रखने की जरूरत नहीं. यू विल कम टू नो, यू कैन चेक इफ इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट, अटेंड द कॉल, इफ इट इज नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट, इग्नोर इट, ओके. नाउ व्हेन यू पुट इट ऑन द टेबल, वी हैव द हैबिट, हम वी ऑल आर एडिक्टेड, जो भी एज ग्रुप हो. सो वी कॉन्स्टेंटली चेक आवर फोन्स कि अच्छा क्या है, क्या अपडेट आया, क्या नोटिफिकेशन, किसने फोटो लाइक की, क्या कमेंट किया, क्या मैसेज, मेल वगैरह. सो वी कॉन्स्टेंटली हैव दिस हैबिट. अगर इफ इट इज राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस, वी विल चेक आवर फोन. लाइक विद मी, I'm not a foodie, but if the food is in front of me, I will just keep on eating, and that is the thing with me. So with the phones also, we have this habit. So to make sure that we don't leave an impression that we still have something more important to do, which is using our phones. So make sure that you try to be into the conversation, and how you can do that, just क्या बोलते हैं उसे सारे जितने डिस्ट्रैक्शंस हैं वो अपने से आप दूर कर दीजिए, ठीक है. जस्ट focus on what the person is saying, then only you will be able to listen carefully and maintain the eye contact and all of that. Then only you will be able to do that. Otherwise you will be constantly thinking, ting, there's a message, what is a message? So then so please make sure you're not using your phone. Just keep it in your bag, straight face. Hi, I know, yeah, I heard about this. Really? This is called straight face. So I'm scared of you. Imagine if somebody is sitting in front of me with this expression throughout the conversation, I would be intimidated and I would be scared कि यार मैं कुछ बोलूँ कि नहीं बोलूँ, ये कहीं डर, मतलब गुस्सा तो नहीं हो जाएगा या गुस्सा तो नहीं हो जाएगी, मतलब this is what the impression you are leaving on the other person. You don't want to come across as an intimidating person. Otherwise next time, why would I plan a meeting with you again? Another thing which is like, people, they're doing unknowingly, rolling the eyes. Yeah, Stop doing that. Stop rolling your eyes. That's what I'm saying. That your expression, आपका जो चेहरा है, आपका आईना है. ठीक है, जो आप सोच रहे हो वो आपके चेहरे पे दिख जाता है through your expressions. So please try to control that. Try to smile more often. Try to have that warmth. When you're talking to a person, don't come up with a straight face. That's not nice. That's really not nice. Even if you think that you don't have a good smile, बहुत लोगों को people are conscious about their smile. Let me tell you, जो भी है दुनिया में ना, जितने भी लोग हैं, सबकी बहुत खूबसूरत स्माइल है. स्माइल्स आर ब्यूटिफुल यार, कैसी भी हो, it's all beautiful. So make sure you smile more often, and just that resting face, you just leave it at home. All right. Being late, oh my god, imagine I don't know you, this is the first time I'm meeting you. Okay, I'm now, whether it's a formal meeting or informal, whatever it is, and you come late, I have to wait for you. Even if it is 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 30 minutes, I would be really angry, but I can't show it in front of you because I don't know you that well. But next time I will not plan another meeting with you, because तुमने एक बार अपना एक इम्प्रेशन छोड़ चुके हो कि तुम लेट ही आते हो. या मे बी नेक्स्ट टाइम इफ आई कम टू मीट यू, मैं खुद ही इतना लेट आऊंगी क्योंकि थिंकिंग दैट ये पर्सन तो कभी, दिस पर्सन नेवर कम्स ऑन टाइम. एंड अ पर्सन हु इज ऑलवेज लेट और हु डजंट कम ऑन टाइम, वो एक इंप्रेशन क्रिएट हो जाता है सामने वाले के ऊपर. हालांकि मैंने बहुत बार ऐसा किया है विद माई फ्रेंड्स, एंड आई नो यू लाइक गाइज लव मी and you will forgive me, but whenever if I'm going for a meeting or anything of that sort, if I'm meeting someone for the very first time, I won't do that. So yeah, with the friends you can maybe थोड़ा सा आपको वहाँ पे डिस्काउंट मिल जाता है, but otherwise no. Grooming, very important. Wrong attire. So like I told the same thing, that you can't wear a business suit to a wedding or a Patiala suit to a meeting. So please understand कि कहते हैं ना, जैसा देश वैसा भेष, एक कहावत भी है हिंदी में, तो थोड़ा उसको मद्देनजर रख के आप उस हिसाब से आप प्लीज चूज योर अटायर एंड ड्रेस्ड अप अकॉर्डिंगली, look nice, presentable. Imagine I also come when I film the video, I make my hair properly, I wear accessories, I put on makeup, I wear nice kurta. Whatever I'm trying to say here is कि अगर मैं भी ऐसे बैठ जाऊँ, ऐसे जूड़ा बना के and ऐसे बस ऐसी बैठ जाऊँ, तो हाउ वुड यू फील कि यार ये क्या सिखा रही है, खुद तो अपना ध्यान रखा नहीं है, खुद तो ढंग से ड्रेसअप किया नहीं है. सो आगे इफ आई वॉन्ट, लाइक प्रैक्टिस वॉट यू प्रीच, so that is also is there. If I want to be convincing, okay, so for that I also have to implement those things. Then only people will understand, and then only people will agree to that what I'm saying. So I hope you understand that. Please make sure whenever you're meeting someone for the very first time, you keep all these things in mind and create a great first impression. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you will be notified next time I upload a video. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I shall see you in my next one. Take care.